We have heard from many of you who say you are frustrated after the snowstorm with the big increase in your gas bill. Have you noticed it? Well, some of you are telling us your bill is up at least 40% this month. The deep freeze forced some gas wells to shut down, and that led to decreased supply. People in smaller towns like Pittsboro were hit the hardest, it looks like. Town officials say their gas bill was about 10 times higher than normal last month. They had to get a loan in order to pay it off, and they're asking the public to pay it back.
We have set aside money for instances like this, but there are some people that don't have that, and they literally live paycheck to paycheck.
I know there's plenty of towns and cities that have experienced this, and I hope that we're all banding together with our suppliers and say, we need to put a stop to this and make sure this never happens again.
Officials are telling Fox 59 right now your bills will stay at that higher rate for the next year or so, unfortunately. We've also learned the town is working with the Attorney General's office to investigate their gas providers for any potential price gouging. So we will keep you posted on that.